This is a quick tip from Marne Elk, your local connection. If you are unable to connect to your Wi-Fi, the first step you should take is to locate your wireless router. This can be either a white Mercotech router from us, or your own router, which may typically be black. After you locate your router, please unplug it from the electrical outlet and wait at least 3 minutes. Plug it back into an electrical outlet and wait a few minutes for it to power cycle. Try to connect your device to your wireless again. If you're still unable to connect, please make sure your router is plugged into your cable or VDSL modem or Cat5. Make sure all connections are plugged firmly in. If this is still unsuccessful, you can try to direct connect to your modem, fiber ONT using a Cat5 cable. If you're able to connect to the internet using a direct connection, then the issue is with your router. If you're still not able to connect to the internet, you should contact your technical support staff. If you live in Brayton, Elkhorn, Exira, Kimballton, or Marne, please contact tech support at 866-764-6161. And if you live in Walnut, Avoca, McClellan, Minden, Neola, Persia, Shelby, or Underwood, please call tech support at 888-784-7845. Marne Elk, your local connection.